How to make sticker on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make stickers on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device and click on any one of the profile picture to enter their chat page. Once on the chat page, here at the bottom, you will see some icons there. Click on that sticker icon and you will be presented with these options. Here, select this heart icon and there you will see plus sign. Click on that plus sign and again click on that plus sign at the top. Now you're clicking on this camera, you can record to make a sticker or you can choose any one of the images from your gallery. On this editing space, you can add a text by clicking on this T icon or you can crop the image if necessary. After that, click on this done option, wait for a while and you will see the sticker has been made successfully. Now come back to the previous page and there you will find the sticker you have created a while ago. Click on that sticker to send it. So in this way you can make stickers on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.